Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Clifford, and in today's tutorial you do not require a hammer, you do not require pliers, you do not require even a tape measure or any of these particular tools. So we're gonna just put them aside, and today we are gonna learn three most important tools that you in particular must know about video editing. Before we go any further, just so you don't miss out on any videos that are going to be coming on this channel in the near future or anytime soon, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime or whenever we post a video on this channel, my friend, you will be the first person to know every time that we post. So hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Let me just give you a second so you can hit the subscribe button and the bell. Alright, thank you very much for hitting the subscribe button, and I hope you didn't forget to hit the bell. Exactly. Today in this tutorial, we are learning three tools for you to edit like a pro. And these particular tools will enable you to edit anytime. It actually applies on almost all softwares. They may be called different names in different softwares, but yes, these particular tools will help you edit anytime, anywhere. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's open up our software here. So just as we wait for our software to open, let me just let you in on something very crucial as a video editor. As a video editor, this is what you do. You get the footage, the raw footage, the unedited footage. Look through, see what you don't want, and take it out. And keep the things that you want in the edit. That is basically what the video editor does. Our software is open. Let's create a new project. Okay, new project. Remember what I told you last time? Organize. So I want this project to go here. Project. So let me just create this. This is important tools. Bam. All right. So this here is the tools panel. You remember I told you all these here called panels, and tool number one is the move tool. This is the move tool, and by default its shortcut is V. Its shortcut is V by default, unless you change the shortcuts on your own. But the move tool is the most crucial tool that every editor, one of the most crucial tools that every editor must learn. Of course, as you know, the selection tool is to select, select anything within the software. Let's take, for instance, if we imported in some footage right here. So I'm going to import this in here, and we'll see what the move tool does. So what you do when you select, of course, you will see the image is grayed out. That means it's selected. So when you drag it, it brings it to the timeline. And that is basically what the move tool does. You will move this. It will help you move your clips or edit or footage anywhere you want to move it. So that is basically what the move tool does. So just in case you're editing and you feel you want to move something around, exactly, just run to the move tool. Now tool number two is the razor tool. Like how you hear razor blade? Exactly. Or you can call it the blade tool. That is tool number two, the razor tool. And this here is how it looks like. Yeah, exactly like how you hear razor tool, blade tool. Yeah, it is for cutting, if you want to cut. Yeah, now the shortcut for that is C. All right, the shortcut for that is C, unless you change this. Yeah, now this will help you cut the different clips. Remember I told you part of editing is seeing what you don't want and you cut it out. So let's take for instance, in this particular video that I'm playing here, there is a lot of nothing happening right there, so it's sort of boring. Yeah, so I'll come here and get the move tool and move this head up to where I see that I need. Yeah, so when it starts playing right there, I say okay, now he's seated, so I'll come here and look for the blade tool or the razor tool, then I'll cut. Bam. Yeah, so when I cut like that, bam, I realize okay, now I'm done cutting. I'll go back to the selection tool, select that part just in case it's not selected, and then I'll delete it. Just press the delete button and it goes. So now I'm at the point where I want, so I'm still at the selection tool. I'll select this and drag it to move. Exactly. So let's say you're done cutting, you're done moving things around, and you're satisfied with your edit. You're satisfied with your video, and you say, now this is the perfect video I need for myself. But your video has no name, right? So you're thinking, I need to give this video a name. What do? This is very simple. There's a particular tool called the type tool. Type tool. And this is how it looks like right here. This here is the type tool. Now with the type tool, you can type anything you want for your video. All right, so you will come to where you want to type it, yeah, where you want to put the name of the video you're working on. So let's say this at this portion of the clip is where I want to put it. So I'll click here. The type tool will definitely create for me that red dialog, that red box. So anything I type there, anything I type on my keyboard will definitely show up in there. So let's see. 3 most important video editing tools. Yeah, is that it? So I'll come to the move tool and drag this, yeah, to where it can be visible. Now let's take for instance, it still doesn't look fancy, right? Okay, and we want to pimp it up, right? So this is what I'll do. Yeah, graphics workspace, then I'll see here, then I'll say center that. You see how my tools are now moving, how my texts are now moving in place. So then I'll say okay, what do I need? I need to give it a background. All right, give my text a background. So I'll create a background right there. Yeah, some increase on its opacity, yeah, and give it a little bit more edge right there. Yeah, just like that. You can even change the font if you want. Yeah, let's say change the font. Let me just look for any font in particular, and boom. All right, you can even increase the size of the font. All right, you can even reduce on the spacing. All right, so just like that, boom, you've named your video, and you go ahead and export it. There you have it. Those are the 3 most important tools that you need to know as a video editor. And what tools did we talk about? 1, the selection tool, 2, the blade tool, and 3, the type tool. Those are the most important tools that you need to know as a video editor. So there you have it. That has been our video for today. So you do not miss out on the more goodies that will be coming out on this channel, hit the subscribe button, right, and the notification bell, so you do not miss out on the niceness, the goodness that will be coming out on this channel. Yeah, don't forget, more videos are coming out. This is a time you need to learn these things and have fun, right? So these are the special tools. Hit the notification, I repeat, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. You do not want to miss. All right, this has been our video for today. So see you again in the next video. Get what works for you and stick to it. Ciao.